iPhone is the most valuable and essential attribute for us. With a damaged screen, a device cannot work properly. So, speak with your phone with the help of expert professionals. Without a damage-free screen, an iPhone seems meaningless. So, don't freak if you are facing any problem related to your iPhone screen. Visit etechexpressinc.com and get an appropriate solution for your device. Visit etechexpressinc.com and get an appropriate solution for your device. To know more, you can directly call them at 626-777-4747. So, don't worry about this problem anymore. Enjoy the comprehensive and hassle-free service for your gadget.